If you ever wanted to get into trading, you've probably realized it's not as easy as it looks. You need to understand the market, develop a strategy, manage risk, and spend hours analyzing charts. That's simply not realistic for everyone. So today, I want to show you a different approach called copy trading using on a platform called Catchnex. The idea is simple. Instead of placing every trade yourself, you can follow an experienced trader and have their trade automatically copied to your account. I will walk you through how everything works from creating an account to connection with the trader, and then next week I will come back with an update to see how the account has performed. And let's get started. So Catchnex is a copy trading platform designed to make trading more accessible. Instead of making every trading decision yourself, you can browse experienced traders on the platform, review their profile and performance, and choose one to follow. Once your account is connected, any eligible trader they make are automatically replicated in your account according to the amount you've allocated. Of course, trading always carry risk and no strategy can guarantee profit, but copy trading offers an alternative for people who prefer a more hands-off approach. Now, let me show you how to get started. So creating an account is very easy. I registered on the platform with my basic information, and after logging into my account, I was ready to get started. From here, you can simply deposit funds into your account using one of the available payment methods, and once your balance is available, you're ready to explore copy trading feature and connect with trader of your choice. And inside the copy trading section, you will find different traders along with information about their trading history and overall performance. For this test, I decided to follow Nadir. After opening his profile, I reviewed the available information and clicked copy. The platform then asked me how much of my balance I wanted to allocate to copy trading, and once everything was confirmed, the setup was complete. From this point forward, whenever Nadir open or close a qualifying trade, those trades are automatically reflected in my account based off the allocation I've selected. What I like is how simple the process is. There is no need to manually place trade or constantly watch the charts. Once you've connected, everything runs automatically while you can still monitor your account whenever you want. If you'd like to check out Nader's profile, I will leave his Instagram linked in description below. And now, let's take a quick look around the dashboard. The first selection is copy trader, where I can see the trader I'm following along with my current allocation. Next one is the portfolio, where I can monitor my account, balance, open position, and overall activity. And there is also performance section that track the history of my copy trading account, making it easy to see how everything is processing over time. In overall, the dashboard is clean, well organized, and easy to navigate even if you're completely new to copy trading. Everything is available in one place, so checking your account only take a few seconds. So guys, that's my initial setup with Catchnex. From here, I will simply let the copy trading run over the next week without making any manual change. Then I will come back with a second video where we will review the results, look at the trading history, and see how the account actually performed over that period. If you'd like to learn more about Catchnex or check out Nadir profile, you will find all the relevant links in the description below. And as always, remember that trading involves risk, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next update.